All right, so this video is about the UNICHAR function in Google Sheets. And what it does is it inserts any Unicode character, so basically any character you want, into your spreadsheet. Before we dive in, I'm Adam Steinfurth. This is sheetshelp.com, where we help you learn everything you need to know about Google Sheets. So let's go down into cell A6, and we will start this with a simple example. We will just type out UNICHAR. And all it takes as input is the Unicode number. And this is the decimal code number. We'll talk more about what that means in a minute, but let's just say that you know the number already. So let's say you want to do 128512. You know that that's a smiley emoji. This function grabs that, puts it in your spreadsheet. Simple as that. All right, so let's do a second example. And this may be, let's say that you know what the symbol looks like that you want, but you don't know what the Unicode decimal code is. So you type out UNICHAR, and then let's go over to the web, and let's just say we searched for Unicode arrow, right? And we came upon this Wikipedia page. There's lots of other references there, and they're including the actual Unicode reference, but they like to give you the code in hexadecimal. So let's say we want this upwards facing arrow, and it's saying U plus 2191. Well, this 2191 is not what you want to put into the function. Let's try it first. We will say 2191. And that's a rectangle, or that may just be a placeholder for a symbol that can't be displayed properly, but it's not an arrow symbol, right? What this is, and how you usually see Unicode codes displayed, is hexadecimal. So we need to embed another function in here. We're going to say hex to des. That's going to change that to a decimal code. I'd enter, and that changed that code to the right one. That is the upwards facing arrow. This video isn't about hex to des, but let's just show what that was doing. If I pass it to 2191, it returns 8,593. You can ignore the 2 decimal points on there. That's just from formatting. But we'll hit delete. And let's say we want to put an emoji, in this case, at the end of a string of text. So something like this. We want to say, I feel happy, like this. And then you want to put a little smiley there. But you want to do it programmatically with the function. So what we will do is we will append these two. So first we will just use some quotes here and say, I feel happy, like this. And then we'll put a space and an ending quote. So now Google Sheets is just returning that string. But then let's use the ampersand sign, and this is going to append something onto it. And we will say UNICHAR, UNICHAR, I don't know really how it's pronounced, short for character though, so we'll say UNICHAR for now. That sounds even weirder. UNICHAR, and let's hit enter because I don't remember the number yet. That'll just hold it with an error. We want 128512, so let's type that in here. And there we go. So you can append a Unicode character onto a string of text. And if you want to do the opposite, say you have the Unicode symbol and you want to find out what the decimal code is, this next video will show you how to do that.